What's going on? It is 10 after 8 in the morning. A little bit of a late start on my way into the office, but got a lot to do today as far as packing, prepping, wrapping up anything that I needed to before I leave for this trip. So hopefully I can get everything done and not be a total rush. I would like to make one stop after work to try and pick up some batteries. I need to try and do that. That's one of my only destinations after work other than stopping and actually packing clothes and things like that. I would really like to be on the road by 3 p.m. And when I say on the road, I mean leaving my house and driving towards Cisco Grove. I think there's a very high likelihood that that won't happen. I'm hoping by 3. I'd really hope that I can make it by 6. I'm going up there and staying with a friend of mine, Tony Mazza. He's already set up there. He's set up in the Vanquish camp with his bus and enclosed trailer. He takes, a bunch of the stuff up for us. He's the most over-prepared person you've ever met in your life. So he takes care of all the food, everything. I just give him money and he takes care of everything else. So let's start making tracks on today. So it's 3:45 and I'm way behind schedule. But packed up, black ripper, my ripper, some parts, and the displays. Gotta get the rest of the stuff packed and get on the road. Quick stop at RC Juice for batteries. So freaking hot out. Dash went up to 108. I have to make one more detour now to get paper plates, coffee creamer, beer. It's 5 to 5, I've got everything done and I'm officially on the road. It's usually like an hour and 10 minutes from my house, but it is rush hour, although it's Wednesday, so hopefully not so bad. Try and relax, and I don't know if I may need gas. So, one more stop. $3.55 a gallon. Gotta love California. We're 1 mile away from Yuba Gap, and my Waze shows that I'm gonna pull up on some traffic here shortly. Oh, and there it is.
Estimated time in traffic, 27 minutes.
This is gonna suck. After the 20 or 30 minute traffic delay, we're finally about to roll into Cisco Grove. What's up, guys?
Hey, man. How's it going, man?
How you doing, bro? Not bad.
Yeah,
How are you? What's up, Tony?
Hey, buddy.
Not too bad. How are you?
Yeah, good
Seeing you. Last name's Thiede. Thiede.
Oh, I need
See you later.
What's
you doing?
up, dude? How are you?
Not too bad.
You get all dialed in? You get to go through tech?
Yeah.
Not yet. So mine, I don't know if Brandon's gonna check his ripper.
Who's Brandon?
Fail on Brandon's car.
Absolutely.
PCs.
Oh, yeah, it fails.
Oh, and I've got the Honcho. I forgot about that.
And the tiny dancer, dude.
Tiny dancer, goddamn right.
Close.
Look at those displays.
What is this?
I've got it.
dude.
What is this?
Who came up with that?
Brandon and I have been working on
Yeah.
So you got
Shock
shock,
compression. Yeah, check it out.
Everybody
Maybe
wants to
read.
touch.
and you
Yeah,
got the
a little rolling.
Everybody wants to touch.
and of course you got your
Wheels.
dig wheel,
Oh.
yeah.
The wheel spin.
And then no wheels.
Dude,
Oh, this
so-
one does.
That one does.
So he, alright, you're all set.
Good deal, guys.
Across
Appreciate
the
it.
board.
All right, we're teched, we're registered. Time to get to camp. Woo! Right here, brother. Do it for the video.
Oh no, that's Castle.
After the group run now, it's like 11:30 or so. I decided I wanted to come try and run the Vanquish course. So, got the ripper out here. Vanquish course is course F. I'm just gonna try and kind of speed run this thing. Get through it as fast as possible. I want to try and hit all the courses this year. I definitely didn't hit all of them last year, but had a blast on the group run tonight, but want to try and make tracks and get 150 more gates in before I call it a night and get this video edited. So hammer through this thing. So exactly halfway through the course, I'm at gate 75, and I've developed a flicker on my lighting controller. It kind of flickers on and off when you hit a big bump, so I've got either a loose connection somewhere or I've got a weird light controller issue, but we'll keep powering on. So through, so you can see it turning on and off there. Gate 78, 79. The first part of this course was crazy technical, which was awesome. The great thing is about how they have these courses marked is that they use the reflective gates. So I don't know if you can see in the distance, but all those gate markers light up really well. Great course. But I'm done for the night. It's been a long day, but more tomorrow. So thanks for watching, guys. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you're not already, comment below, all the good stuff. See you guys tomorrow.